Foothold's been around for about 30 odd years, and we've focused on looking after people and the environment. The world is changing, and people are realising that we've got to do something to look after the space we stand on.
Fel cyngor sir sydd wedi datgan ar gyfwng byd natur a hinsawdd, wrth gwrs mae rhaid i ni ddatblygu economi sy'n mynd i adlewyrchu'r heriau yna sy'n gwynebu ni. Felly mewn ardal gwledig fel hyn byddwn ni'n gweld bod yr economi werdd, y sgiliau a'r swyddi yn y sector gwyrdd yn hanfodol i ddyfodol yn sir ni.
Planet itself is a collection of projects working with communities. When Foothold contacted us to work on this project, I think it was our connections, our network, that was to our advantage, that we could actually help people in that way and actually find people and find placements.
Maddfai provides work experience and employment opportunities for vulnerable people with additional learning needs, including autism, in our community. And we provide an opportunity for them to grow, develop confidence, develop those skills and make themselves more employable.
Yn rôl ni yn Porth Gwyrdd ydy, da ni'n mynd allan yn hyrwyddo ac ymgysylltu efo bobl ifanc fel y cam cynta iddyn nhw yn rhan o'r cynllun. Mae'r economi werdd yn bwysig iawn i'r ardal, yn enwedig mewn ardal gwledig fel hyn. Mae'n rhoi cyfle newydd i bobl gael swydd ac mae hefyd wrth gwrs yn fater pwysig byd eang erbyn hyn a mae'n bwysig bod ni'n cael hwnna yn lleol i ni ar yn stepen drws.
So I've volunteered now at Foothold Cymru for about 4 years. I've learned about food waste, I've learned like stacking the shop, what things need to go where, the compost, the recycling, and it's really helped.
We've done cooking and planting and, cleaning lots of stuff from the garden, like make it more cleaner.
Having something like Porth Gwyrdd is perfect for our pupils. It gives them an opportunity to experience lots of different things so that they can find what they want to do in a safe and supported environment.
We were doing some money, we did some practicing counting, we've been doing cleaning in there and busy days.
I don't think our pupils are fully aware of what is out there for them to be able to do, especially within the green sector.
I'm on the council, I have a lot of meetings and I'm on the Eco Council.
The reason we decided to fund Porth Gwyrdd is because we wanted to invest in projects that will help people into green careers, particularly young people with disabilities and young people who are from ethnically minoritized communities.
Mae'n just bwysig iawn I newid pethau. Dyn ni'n gwybod mae lot o pobl yn moyn gwaith, ond y gwaith newydd, gwaith gwyrdd, mae'n just, dyn ni'n meddwl am y dyfodol.
Looking further ahead, I would like to think that Porth Gwyrdd will have a positive impact on employers. It'll raise awareness of the skills that are available to them that maybe they aren't aware of and they're neglecting at the moment from a group that are underrepresented, and will improve employability within this area and offer more employment and work experience opportunities for people with additional learning needs in the green economy.
We're discharging two different roles. We have work coaches that are working with young people, but we're also providing a service to employers that will be hopefully offering jobs and work placements to the young people. And we're supporting employers to understand and implement equality, diversity and inclusion best practice to make the workplaces as easily supported as possible.
Mae rhaglen Porth Gwyrdd yn hynod bwysig I ddyfodol yn pobl ifanc ni a'n cymunedau ni. Mwy aml na dim yn pobl ifanc ni'n gweld bod y sgiliau gwyrdd ar gyfer rhywun arall neu mewn rhywle arall o'r byd. Mae cael pobl ifanc gyda'r hyder I ddatblygu sgiliau gwyrdd yn holl bwysig os I ni am creu economi a cymunedau mwy gwydn a gwyrdd yma yng Nghymru.
Green jobs are the future. Wales is well placed to actually maximise that position. We've got natural resources, we've got lots of people that can move into that industry, and getting to work with young people and preparing them for that world that we're going to be enjoying in Wales, hopefully quite soon, is very important.